I'm going to be unboxing the Corona's Trust the Wire vinyl album. So they are an Irish rock band and these boys are fantastic. Let me just say I like the design of the box where they have the cutout on there and the paper covering is beautiful. So I'm going to take this out and explain that I got into these guys about a couple years ago and I went to see their concert in Brooklyn when they had a US showing and it was amazing. So anyway, this is what the packaging looks like, and the front cover again has the holes which allows the color to go through. The back has the credits here, and then the colors with the blue, the black, and the golds. Beautiful anyway. I'm just rambling, but I just can't tell you how much I love this album. Anyway, time to pull out the vinyl, and it is a beautiful solid white, and again it contrasts with the same colorful I guess swirls that they have on their paper covering. So this is side A, and you're going to see side B. I'm going to bring it up for close up, and it's so shiny. There you go. And now it's going to be time to hear a sample of it. Out of the whole album, my two most favorite tracks are Real Feel and Give Me a Minute, which they also have music videos too on their YouTube.
Leave alone, we don't need to change your minds, 'cause we never changed at all. Yeah, we couldn't fake that. No. Self-gold is a reason for everything. I know it's not easy to let me in. Yeah, we both got things that make us crazy. How could you sense that from me? You don't have to ask. That's what's great about that. Don't complicate it, you're right. You're already right. Sometimes it's just too easy to let a good feeling go by. And if you don't mind, I can live with it.
So the band is made up of Danny O'Reilly, Connor Egan, Graham Knox, and Dave McPhillips. And again, these guys are fantastic. Guys should give them a look. And they currently have 5 albums, which are Heroes and Ghosts, Tony Was an Ex-Con, Closer to You, and The Long Way. And now this new one, which is Trust the Wire. So check them out, give them the support, and again, I love them to death.
Myself and tried too hard. Forgot how this could leave a mark. Close your eyes. Clear picture, leave the scene. Don't get tired. Melody, like it used to be. So when I close my eyes, I hear something I like. Now it's your time to shine. Got all your moves, you know all your lines. Keep up your head, you're doing just fine. Move both your feet and move them in time. 'Cause growing up with each other never